XOXO Frame tutorial. Let's make a super easy frame. Fill the mold with the long cure resin of your choice. Let cure completely before demolding. Use superglue or UV resin to attach the front of the O to the frame. Add clear shaker film to the back of the O piece to add a protective dust-free layer in front of your fold. Cure completely or wait until completely dry. Once cured, you can add your photo. Attach the lips to the outside for added decoration, or use it as a cabochon or charm for other projects.